guys, welcome back to Nuka Brothers. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
And we're continuing the process on the Cobra. So last time we test fitted the engine and the 3.5 didn't work. Well, we bought our parts car. So we bought the 5.0. Now we're going to be ready to start cleaning this thing up, get some more sheet metal or aluminum, cut it out, and then try to get the engine in. So Michael's going to work on this, and I'm going to work on getting the Mustang apart, getting the engine out, and getting it ready to get it in here. So we got a lot of work, so let's get to it. So here we have it. We got all the wire harness taken apart, the coolant lines, AC lines, power steering, everything's unhooked. So we're ready to drop this motor. We got a little dolly underneath. We're gonna hook the subframe, and this is just lower down and lift the body, and we're done. Just nice and easy. We got the exhaust off, we got the drive shaft, shift linkage. A lot of little work to get all apart. So there's that. So let's get these engine mounts off, or this the engine subcradle off, and we're done, just like that. Alright, so here we have it. We got it pulled out and it came out really easy. So we're gonna wash this thing really quick and get it over there. And then we're gonna start taking off this harness. So let's get this thing washed and put over there.
cleaning it up, and what we're gonna use is this Pour 15 stuff. Basically, rust preventative, apply it directly on the rust. So we want this to permanently stay glossy. It's gonna penetrate all that stuff, goes right to it. It was like 80 bucks for this little can, so it's good stuff. It better be. Oh yeah.
That's what we use on the frame, Michael.
Yeah.
After.
Yeah, so. Yeah. It worked great. Sealed it. I mean, you don't even like remove the rust before you do it, but we'll just keep going and basically cover all up. It's gonna look good. Got little brushes, got my paint. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we got the inside all blacked out. I think it looks great. We're still not done 100%, but we're definitely moving forward. It looks good. There's some sheet metal pieces that are missing, so I'm gonna head over to our local metal supermarket, get some aluminum sheets, cut out the panels that we need. Let's do it. Boom, there they are. I got a 4x8 sheet, cut it in half. I think that'd be enough. Honestly, I only need like 2 panels remade, so it's not a big deal. Take it, flatten it out, trace it, cut it out, bend it, good as new. Let's get it done. So the idea is pretty simple. I cut it taller so I could follow the curve of the bar that we already have. All I gotta do is just mark it somehow and cut it. Let's do it. So I got my second piece cut out. Looks pretty good. Traced it out. The next part's gonna be a little tough though, because I don't have a brake and I need to put some bends in it. A 90 there, and it was like a 20 degree there or something. So I just got me some angle iron and gave me some clamps and start bending. Let's do it. All right, there we go. A little fabricating, bending here and there, but it's looking good. Nice. Not bad. Looks good to me. So then I still have to make this top piece right here, but I might wait because I need to do stuff here. Be a nice little access panel. So we'll see. Might just rivet those in place and wait for that last piece later. All right. Alright guys, there it is. Got my 2 panels in. It looks great. I'm happy how it turned out. Like I said, I still need that top piece, but I'll probably do that later. Probably wipe these down, scuff them up, and get them blacked out so it matches the rest of it. Looks good.
Alright, so here we have it. We got the dash out, we got the wire harness out, we got the fuse box inside, the body control module out, got all of it out. And we pulled out the wire harness over here. So we got all that out, which is looking good. And we got a lot of little sensors out. So here's the engine computer, the body control module, then we got the gas pedal, the window switch, the speedometer, some other little switches. Here's all the wiring. So a lot of stuff to make that engine run. So let's get this over there to the engine. We're actually going to try to make that engine run before we put it in the car, and then start trimming down the wires what we don't need. We definitely don't need AC wires, we don't need ABS wires. There's a lot of wiring in here that we don't need, and that would save us a lot of room. So let's get to it. Let's put the stuff over there.
Nice. Oh yeah. Got the fuse box. I mean, engine harness, wire harness. We definitely got some work ahead of us, but it's going. That looks huge, not gonna lie. 3.5, 5.0, 4.7. 5.0 definitely looks bigger than all of them, but they say it fits, so let's do it. All right, guys, so honestly, great news. There's nothing really slowing us down. We have the motor, we have the wire harness. My brother's getting the hood right now, and some other little things.
Alright guys, check this out. We actually found a glass, frame and glass, on the Facebook Marketplace, and we found a hood. Look at that. A little bit of scratches, but nothing crazy. They got a really good deal on them. I had to do a little bit of drive all the way to Virginia, but it's definitely worth it. So let's get home, back to the shop, and test fit it. Let's get back on the road.
We got the paneling done. I still got to do some work on it, but honestly, just take some time. So far, no major roadblocks. That's great. But unfortunately, that's all the time I have for today. Let's go inside and find a winner for the giveaway winner, and yeah, until next time. Alrighty guys, so a lot of progress on the Cobra. It's coming together. We got the 5.0 motor out with the transmission, the wire harness, it's all coming out. My brother's getting those parts, the hood. We were honestly looking for that for a while. We talked to Factory 5, but it's gonna take like 4 weeks before we get one of those hoods. So this is great. Like I said, there's no roadblocks. We're gonna keep moving forward. We're gonna keep fabricating, putting it together. Honestly, there's still a lot of work ahead of us, but it's coming back together. It's honestly, can't tell about the fire damage anymore now, just rebuilding, build it up, get that motor in there. Man, it's gonna be great though. I can't wait to get on the road. All that power, that little go-kart, oh wow, that's gonna be crazy. But, all right guys, let's find our winner. We have 353 comments. Appreciate it, thanks guys for talking about it. We'll read your comments, I like what you got to say. All right, David Berner, you won, bro, congrats. He said, should supercharge the 5.0. That would be crazy. I mean, already all that power, then put a supercharger on it. I don't know. We'll see. It's definitely in the air. I don't know. We'll see how it goes with the videos. If you guys talk about it, like it, share it, we get enough views, then we could probably do it. All right, guys. Thanks for staying tuned. Until next time.